Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today I'm going to show off an aftermarket cat skin leather option for a 1958 LC250. Let's get started. Okay, so we are inside of an LC250 1958, and you'll notice that it has leather seats. So what we've done here is we've added an aftermarket leather package from a company called Catskin. This is the leader of aftermarket leather. They've been around for 30 years. We chose to go with this Catskin leather package on this 1958 because the variance in price from a real leather in a 1958 or in a Land Cruiser premium package is about 68 grand starting with the premium package to get the semi-aniline leather. 1958 is going to come with cloth seats, so we wanted to reduce that delta of $10,000 for somebody who really wants the minimal car with leather seats. So for under $2,000 we can go with this package. This is going to give you leather for all 5 seats. You'll notice on a 1958 that it does have a leather center console cover with the silver stitching. So what we've done here is we've added this additional, we've matched the pattern in the color. So we have black on black and then silver stitching with silver stitching. The stitching is spaced identically, so it looks exactly factory. We've added perforated leather here. Of course, we're retaining the seat heaters that come from Toyota with the vehicle, so we're not adding that additional expense as well. These seat covers are for this specific vehicle. So as you can see, every indentation, every curve, everything is absolutely perfect and tight. Oddly enough, these are actually softer seats than the Land Cruiser semi-aniline premium leather. And the reason that is because underneath of the leather, there is a memory padding foam, like a pillow top kind of, that they've sewn into the back of the leather to make it just that much more soft. So this is a very, very high quality leather. And I really think it trims off the 1958 just perfectly because it matches exactly. I don't think anyone would be able to challenge that it isn't factory leather. Optionally, in this case, we've added this particular TEQ logo. If you're familiar with Land Cruisers, this is a vintage logo that you would see like on a VIN tag on, let's say, like a 40 series or even a 62 series Land Cruiser. This is actually a katakana. It's kind of like a kanji. It's a phonetic representation of a word in the Japanese language. So this TEQ actually just says the word Toyota. Flipping over to the back seat, again, you'll still have the exact same leather pattern, exact same silver stitching that goes around the corners. Still retains all the curtain airbags on the sides for the front passengers. On the rear, you have your latch system. It's still fully accessible right underneath here. You can see the latch seat covers are right underneath here. And if you don't use latch, if you don't have car seats, then it's covered up nicely by this Velcro padding right here. Same thing with the fold down armrest / cup holders. Again, just normal operation, just as if it came from Toyota that way. And that's a wrap for this modification. If you guys like it, please hit thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or interested in doing this to your Land Cruiser or to a future Land Cruiser that you may purchase, my email address is in the comment section below.